You downloaded it?
No, someone copied it.
Someone copied it into your phone.
Yeah. And look.
Wow. Oh, wipe mo yung pan. Wipe mo yung tayo mo.
At level 16, I keep on playing by myself. I don't keep on winning until here again. I just keep
At least you can practice. Oh, open.
Yeah,
Push the button. Push this one. Yan.
But it takes 1 and 12 minutes for me.
It takes how many minutes? How many?
So I'm trying to play surviving us like this.
In a survival mode. But
yeah,
there's a do you have any choices in playing the game?
Survival is no going to the walls.
Uy, itulog na ikaw, Pao. Sleep na.
The survival is I should not go to the walls. That if I go one of them, I fall down in the sky and go down to space. And also there's a second step of survival. That is the last step.
That's the last step. Is it the hardest step or no?
No,
it's an easy step.
No, it's a medium step.
It's a medium step.
Yeah. The last step is no going past this checkpoint.
No going past the checkpoint?
Yeah, this kind of checkpoint.
Oh, okay. I don't know how to play that one.
Yeah, I know how to.
Yes, so you have to teach me.
Like this. Already.
You'll pretend? No. Walk na. Bye-bye na. Go to school. Go to school na. Go to school. Bye-bye na. Oh, don't go inside.
Towards over there. Full speed.
But how will you win the game? Oh, go to school na.
Yeah, if you go upside down, you go upside up.
If you go upside down, you go upside up?
Yeah.
How does it happen?
I'll teach you.
Yes, you have to teach me because I don't know. Uy, going to school na. Ma.
I'm trying to.
You're trying to.
Up.
No, that's mommy's indoor sleeper.
I will go top speed again.
No. Oh, go to school now. Get your bag. Get your bag. No, that's not the sleeper. Not the sleeper bag. I said not the sleeper. Oh, go to school now. Get your bag. Oh, bag.
Wait. I'm trying to make myself upside down. Oh, because you respond.
Yeah, you respond.
Yeah, you respond upside up where you are.
Oh, that's why you get upside up.
Yeah, that's why every time you get upside down, you get upside up.
Okay. Chang nagpa-practice. Hi, Chang. Hi, Lula. Say hi to Lula.
Can you go back to your home?
No.